Hello and welcome to this series of preparation sessions for a winning interview. Today we look at some common behavioral interview questions that are asked frequently and some tips on how to crack them. Behavioral interview questions are mainly asked with the logic that your response will reveal your skills, abilities, and your basic personality. The logic behind this interview tactic is that your behavior in the past reflects and predicts how you'll behave in the future. Here are some examples. They might ask you questions like, have you ever handled a difficult client and how did you manage that? Tell us about a time when you had to resolve a conflict. What is your leadership style? What do you prefer, working in a team or are you an individual contributor? Tell us of a time when you handled a pressure situation. All these questions will actually make the interviewer understand what is it that you're made of, what are your experiences, and how you handle situations. The simplest strategy is to know your resume well. Some interviewers are very good at asking behavioral interview questions related to the content on your resume. Research some commonly asked questions from the internet and map them with your life experiences. Be ready to explain in detail how you handled a situation or how you managed a tricky social situation. We'll introduce a 4-step technique to answer any behavioral interview questions. All questions can be answered by this easy to follow 4-step technique. It also is called the STAR technique, where you speak about the situation, describe the situation, or set the scene. You describe the task, the issue, or the problem you were confronted with. Action. Describe the action you took to intervene in the situation or solve that problem. And finally, what was the result you achieved? You can excel at any interview session provided you do the following. Be genuine. Remember, the interviewer is a skilled professional and has developed a niche at spotting anyone who's lying or speaking with fudged facts. Second is prepare well. Without this, you will fumble in answering about your strengths, but also appear unprofessional. Practice if you're appearing for an interview for the first time. Ask your friends to help you with a mock interview and also take feedback. Be aware of what is happening in the world. Gain experiences by reading well, traveling, meeting new people, volunteering, and doing something to contribute to the society. Let's look at some examples. The first question is, how do you handle a challenge? Give an example. Through this question, the interviewer wants to know the following. Regardless of your job, things can go wrong anywhere. The hiring manager wants to know how you will react in a difficult situation. Focus on how you resolved a challenging situation when you respond. A sample answer can be, one time we were in the middle of a complicated deal to pitch to a prospect. Our key team member had to leave on an emergency. I was asked with putting together a PowerPoint presentation just from the notes he had left and some briefing from his manager. My presentation turned out successfully. We got the deal and I was recommended for an award. Let's look at another example. Have you ever handled a difficult situation? And how? What do they want to know here? Can you handle difficult situations at work? Or do you not deal with them at all? The employer will want to know what you do when there is a problem. A sample answer can be, when I was in college, I came to know that one of my hostel mates was increasingly consuming alcohol and this was negatively impacting him. He needed to get some help. I spoke with him privately and I helped him to go for counseling and speak about what was troubling him. Fortunately, he was able to get his life back on track and was able to crack a great placement 6 months later. Think of all the situations in your life that can be connected to how you manage situations and displayed extraordinary skills, and you'll be able to crack any interview. All the best.